Okay, it's a gorgeous Saturday morning. I'm driving over to Neath, home of the Kool Hand Ukes, because we've actually got a gig. It's an outside gig. We're playing in the bandstand in Victoria Gardens in Neath to celebrate the Queen's Platinum Jubilee. So I've got to admit, I'm very much enjoying driving over this morning. You don't often get to see this road. I have no idea how much of an audience will be there, but it's going to be a really, really nice play just to get together, meet up with some of the gang, and hopefully entertain a few people. So, Neath, it's an old Roman town, all right? I'm actually from Neath. I don't live there anymore, but of course it is home to the Kool Hand Ukes. And this event has been organised by Neath Town Council. And whilst I'm driving along this gorgeous country road at the minute, a little reminder as well, 2 weeks today is the Ukulele Project Wales. We've got another big jam down in Porthcawl. So if you live in the South Wales area or even fancy doing a little bit of travelling, details are all on Facebook. But Ukulele Project Wales, Porthcawl Summer Jam, and of course I will do another vlog for that as well. So we're just coming into Neath now, and one of the joys of Neath, you can't hear the sarcasm in my voice there, is parking. And obviously we're playing right in the town centre. So I have brought the muscle. Hubby is with me today, just to give me a hand, just to get things out of the car. And I have no idea how many of the Kool Hand Ukes will already be there setting up. It's going to be quite a fast setup because there's a group playing before us and a group playing after us. So I think we're going to actually have to get ourselves quite organised, ready for our slot. So we're actually looking at the back end of Victoria Gardens right now. So I'm actually going to sign off in a minute because this is where it's going to get a little bit hectic trying to park. Okay, so this is Neath Victoria Gardens. The group is on before us, are just finishing off, and then it's going to be a crazy mad rush to try and get ourselves set up. But just to give you an idea of the glorious surroundings we're at, I mentioned the Gorsedd, which is our ring of stones, just to show that the National Eisteddfod has been here. And then you can see a little bit of funfair things going on, lots of children here, lots of people waving flags. So this is Victoria Gardens.
I find complete love without your sweet love.
So the Kool Hand Ukes, watch out, the boss is coming. We're all in trouble. And you know some of them already. There's lovely Carla. The naughty ones.
Oh, here we go. Yeah, we're in the...
And Steve, loving the hat, Steve. Prepared.
Well, the hat is there. So, do that.
Hey! Well, it does seem like we've got most of the Kool Hand Ukes back together. This is genuinely the first time I've seen some of them since, well, before COVID. Mainly because we've been running two groups. One has been sort of the older members and one has been the younger members, but it's so nice just to see everybody back here again. Fantastic. Right, time to get proper work in now. Everything's almost plugged in. Hopefully, I don't know what the actual recording and sound will come out like, but just to give you an idea, there are actually quite a few people here right now.
it's a real honour to be asked to perform here today, and we're all so excited. So let's get cracking, eh? Our first track is Big Yellow Taxi. Ready, everybody? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Someone new, she sure looks happy, I'm sure I'm blue. She was my baby, till he stepped in. Goodbye to romance, that might have been. Bye-bye love, bye-bye happiness, hello loneliness, I think I'm gonna cry. Bye-bye love, bye-bye sweet caress, hello emptiness, I feel like I could die. Bye-bye my love, goodbye. 8 days a week, I love you. 8 days a week is not enough to show I can love you every day, girl. Always on my mind. One thing I can say, girl, love you all the time. Hold me, love where you go, chitty chitty Willie bell. Bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, I'll fight for fender friend. Bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, I'll fight for fender friend. Hey there boy, yes, 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 on a one-way ticket on the Chattanooga choo-choo train. Pardon me boy, is that the kind of to my new shoes? Right on track 29, boy you can give me a shine. Take it away, Rich. It's gonna be a certain party at the station. It's Saturday night. I used to call Funny Face. She's gonna cry until I tell her that I'm never wrong. So Chattanooga choo-choo, why don't you choo-choo me home? Yeah, Chattanooga choo-choo, why don't you choo-choo me home? But I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I say, would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Left a good job in the city, working for the man every night and day, and I never lost for little sleeping, worrying about the way things might have been. Big wheels keep on turning, proud Mary keep on turning, rolling, 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 rolling on the river. Need a lot of place in Memphis, popped a lot of pain down in New Orleans. Thought I never saw the good side of the city till I hitched a ride on the riverboat Queen. Big wheels keep on turning, proud Mary keep on running, rolling, 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 rolling on the river. Yeah, you got the patience, your own imagination will tell you just exactly what you want to hear. Here we go! Oh, ba, that's how it goes. Oh, ba, everyone knows. They all suppose what they want to suppose. When they say, oh, ba. Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Hey, hey!
Gig is over. Park is quite full. Let me just turn round a minute so you go like this. Give us a wave, Kool Hand Ukes. Come on, Gav. So we're just going back, pack everything up in the car. Kool Hand Ukes were all scattered and gone their own way. I do hope you enjoyed that. I thoroughly enjoyed it and it was nice and warm. More to come. 2 weeks today, I think, is Porthcawl. So if you live in the South Wales area or you fancy a bit of a travel, all the details are on Facebook. It's been organised by Ukulele Wales project, the lovely Sean Keddy. It was a cracking day last year, so please feel free, come and join us. But that's it for Kool Hand Ukes today. As always, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free, leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.